Hi guys, that time of the week again, so we've got some new stuff coming in. So we're actually going to start off with something armour wise this week. So let's have a look. From Kitty Hawk Panda, this is the new stuff that we've been getting in. This is the new releases of their Geschützenpanzer. How about that? I can say that. That's just come in. We've been waiting on some of this Kitty Hawk Panda stuff for a little while. I'll show you that one in a minute. That's the another variant of it. This is also just come in. So again, all 35th scale. And also from Panda, we've got the Max Pro in 35th scale. This is one of the armoured vehicles, armoured fighting vehicle type of things. It's quite nice. Got lots of detail. Quite a full kit. This is the main body part of it, so pretty cool. It's got lots of bits and pieces. That box is quite full. There's a lot in this one. So this is the one with the mine roller on the front of it. So as you can see by that. So nice little booklet. So yeah, so that should be quite good. Also from comes Kitty Hawk Panda of the same company. This is in 48 scale. This is two of the Ural trucks, the 4320 and the AP5D. These are, I believe, yeah, one's a tanker, I think, and the other is the standard truck. These are, again, quite nicely detailed, lots in them. That's the cabins for the two different vehicles. That's quite cool. As I said, this is 48 scale, so if you're building a Soviet or a Russian diorama with helicopters or whatever, 48 scale helicopters, and use Zvezda kit, you can probably marry these up to it. So that's 48 scale. So that's a bit on Kitty Hawk and Panda. We'll have a look at some more in a minute.